Family holiday in Korn Island. Pattaya, also known as Coral Island, is a small island just off the coast of Pattaya, Thailand. It's a popular destination for families looking for a relaxing beach getaway with plenty of activities to keep everyone entertained. Here's why Korn Island is a great choice for your family holiday. Beautiful beaches. Korn has some of the most beautiful beaches in Pattaya. The sand is soft and white and the water is crystal clear. There are several beaches to choose from, each with its unique atmosphere. Calm waters. The waters around Korn are calm and shallow, making them perfect for swimming and snorkeling. There are also several lifeguard-patrolled beaches, so you can relax and enjoy your time at the beach knowing that your family is safe. Family-friendly activities. There are plenty of activities to keep families entertained on Korn. You can go parasailing, jet skiing, banana boating, or take a glass-bottom boat tour to see the coral reefs. Several restaurants on the island serve delicious Thai food. Relaxing atmosphere. Korn is a much more relaxed destination than Pattaya. There are no nightclubs or bars on the island, so you can be sure of a peaceful and relaxing holiday. Here are some things to keep in mind when planning your family holiday to Korn. The best time to visit Korn is between November and February. The weather is sunny and dry during this time, and the water is calm. Korn is a small island, so there are not a lot of accommodation options. However, there are a few resorts and bungalows that cater to families. There are only a few ATMs in Korn, so be sure to bring enough cash with you. The ferry ride from Pattaya to Korn takes about 45 minutes. Several ferries run throughout the day. If you're looking for a relaxing and enjoyable beach getaway with your family, Korn Island is a great option. With its beautiful beaches, calm waters, and family-friendly activities, Korn is sure to provide you with an unforgettable holiday experience. Thank you for hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos with your friends.